Today, we're checking out the SOTSU FlipAction Elite 16-inch portable monitor, a device promising stunning visuals and a premium build for those on the move. This monitor packs a 4K UHD+ display into a sleek, portable design, aiming to be the perfect companion for creative professionals. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into the core strengths of the SOTSU FlipAction Elite, starting with its display and the premium construction. This monitor aims to deliver a top-tier visual experience. The SOTSU FlipAction Elite shines with a high-resolution 4K UHD+ display that offers remarkable visual clarity and color fidelity. Its full metal construction and clever folding stand design enhance both its durability and its portability. This monitor truly emphasizes quality. The display quality is a major highlight, offering a sharp 4K UHD+ resolution and 100% DCI P3 color coverage, which is crafted with precision. The full metal CNC construction provides a truly premium feel and superior durability, setting it apart from. Its impressive portability makes it ideal for travel, folding down to just half an inch thick and weighing less than. The stand is incredibly versatile, allowing for height adjustments, pivoting, and a wide range of rotation for both landscape. Overall, the SOTSU FlipAction Elite excels with its high-resolution, color-accurate display and exceptional build quality, making, beyond its core display and design, the SOTSU FlipAction Elite integrates features that enhance. For creatives, the 100% DCI P3 color gamut combined with a built-in full SD card slot directly addresses the needs. The power pass-through feature is highly convenient, allowing you to power both the monitor and a connected device with a single charger, enhancing portability. Priced at $789, the SOTSU FlipAction Elite sits at the higher end of the portable monitor market, demanding a premium. While many core specs are clear, the listing does not fully detail all input port types, making it difficult. Considering its unique feature set and premium build, the SOTSU FlipAction Elite offers strong creative workflow. The SOTSU FlipAction Elite is a genuinely impressive portable monitor that delivers on its promises of premium display quality and a robust, versatile design. Its 4K UHD+ resolution, 100% DCI, P3 color, and integrated SD card reader make it an excellent tool for designers and photographers.